I'm kind of a nincompoopy again. I'm really just not thinking things through, am I? No. Because now that I've got that, I just need... Oh, why are you being like this? What happened? I need to delete this. Hello, good morning. Oh boy, what a morning it has been. It's not even 11 o'clock yet. I woke up feeling good this morning. After last week, if you watched my last week's video, then you will know I was not well and I slept in. But this week, I actually woke up at 6:30. How nice. And it is pouring rain, which is also really nice. That noise you hear is the printer going because today is the first day of a new week and I am getting back into it. I am looking forward to my business endeavors and risking and trying new things, and so I am printing all of my stuff today, and then tomorrow I will cut it all because I do not have time today. Look at this. Look what I have done. These are my prints for the Mail Club. This one is the new February's one, and this one is from January. January, February, ain't they cute? So I need to make content videos for that. I'll most likely make them tomorrow. I already made a boo-boo error, which is great. Also, I have started my Etsy shop. Yay! Yeah, I've been on Etsy before and nothing happened. I actually got bots, not actual accounts or people messaging me. I got bots, and so it did not last. I think I only did it for a month, maybe a month and a half. I had an Etsy shop for, and then yeah, I deactivated it, but now I feel good. I feel stronger and believing in myself a lot more. So my scrunchies are on there now. This is like a bad example, that was just a tester, but my scrunchies are on there now. This is my Pretty Woman inspired scrunchie. I've got Suddenly 30 inspired scrunchie, and then right now I'm making How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days inspired scrunchie. So I got yellow, and then I'm doing a layer of blue. I was gonna do a layer of black, but it just looks too harsh. This looks really cool because it's like punk princess vibes, which I love. But on the yellow and a black, I don't like that idea. So I'm doing blue instead. I was thinking maybe to do navy blue, see if I can get that, but achoo, nothing. Ow, achoo. Anyway, let me finish off last week's vlog. That looks so much better than what it was before. Lovely. Yeah, before I have a nincompoop. I made it that big when they are needed this small. And look at my bookmarks. Mixtape. Bookmarks. Mixtape. And then a horrible print. Don't even know how that could possibly have happened, but it did. But now I need to do these. Welcome to my Etsy shop. I've got no orders. I mean, I just started yesterday, so I didn't expect to get any orders. But here it is. This is what I've got. As you can see, I've got some scrunchies and then some bookmarks. I've got my photography, and now I have to add more. Good morning, guys. What a morning it has been. First thing this morning, I had a filming job to do, filming again with the martial arts studio. So now, because of that, he wants me to do more of his private classes, and the martial arts studio I work with want me to do more content for them, like It is blowing my mind how quickly this year is going, but in like the most amazing, brilliantly way possible. So today I had a plan to like do my mail club stuff, but I think I really need to focus right now on getting everything sorted for my events business side. Oh my goodness, I need to get my business cards because I have some, but I don't have many, and he says for me to bring it to the dojo. So do my business cards. I need to fix my website so that I'm only doing sports and events. And then I said something else while I was in the shower of what I needed to do, and now I've forgotten. So anyway, stay tuned. And guys, I haven't finished it. Guys, look, I haven't like properly finished it. I need to tie these tails. But look, I finished it last night. This is my How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days scrunchie because, I mean, she was the yellow dress. I was going to do navy blue for this part, so let me know in the comments if you like a yellow and the navy blue for How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.